we shall talk about OYO, and we shall talk about the executive summary of what all we shall cover in this PPT. We shall cover the brand overview, competition overview, target market, segmentation, SWOT analysis, market research, conclusion, and suggestions. We have chosen OYO because we feel that this is a startup which has found huge success and what all it did in the right ways to get there.
I'm gonna give the brand overview of OYO. OYO, just a 7-year-old company founded in the year 2013 by a young entrepreneur Ritesh Agarwal with its headquarters in Gurugram, Haryana, India, had become a company of 25,000 plus employees with $10 billion valuation and annual revenue of $951 million by the end of the year 2019. But starting from a single hotel service in India, OYO turned out as one of the world's largest hotel network brands and stretched out its roots to 800 plus cities with over 43,000 plus hotels with over 1.2 million rooms. After going through the introduction stage, OYO had seen immense growth in its customer base and revenue, which made it emerge as India's hotel unicorn within a very few years of its launch. After pursuing its ambition of becoming a global hotel superpower for over 3 years, OYO has now been facing an unprecedented crisis that threatens to wipe out a large part of its business for the foreseeable future and dent its $10 billion valuation. Just like any other hospitality industry, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected OYO in a way that its revenue had plunged by 50 to 60% and its cash runway had come under severe stress. In response to the crisis brought about by the COVID-19 outbreak, OYO reduced every controllable cost by laying off its employees and even breaking ties with many of its partner hotels. The company has now moved on to cut expenses and conserve cash. For a few months of COVID-19 outbreak, it appeared that OYO was now going to face the decline stage of product life cycle. But ever since the lockdown period ended and people started traveling and occupying hotels again, OYO has been optimistic about its survival in the market. An OYO spokesperson reiterated that the company does not have any plans to exit any market or freezing its operations in any market. The CEO Ritesh Agarwal himself stated or freezing its operations in any market. The CEO Ritesh Agarwal himself stated that the OYO will adapt new operating model focused around safety post-COVID. OYO has now strategized to focus on highest standards of hygiene, minimal contact service, and enhanced credibility for the customers. With this optimism, determination, and new marketing strategies of OYO, it seems to see a growth in its consumers. Thus, after passing through the introduction stage and being successful in stabilizing its brand name, OYO is now most likely to see its growth stage of the product life cycle.
Competition overview. Like any other industry, hospital industry too has stiff competition. Everyone is trying to acquire the maximum market share. Who are some of the competitors of OYO? Top competitors are GoIbiGo, Make My Trip, Yatra, Tribo. Is it going to be a challenge for OYO rooms? Looking at the current situation, it is going to be challenging. Hence, OYO rooms must come up with a unique selling point.
Hi, this is Sukesh, and I'll be speaking about the target audience. OYO targets people of all genders within the age group of 20 to 30. These people generally are from urban backgrounds like Mumbai or Bengaluru or Delhi and belong to the low income or middle income earning classes of the society. OYO targets students and working professionals who enjoy traveling and making short trips, often alone. They also include backpackers who very frequently yet still extremely budget conscious people who don't mind compromising the quality. For business executives who are frequent and looking for technology and also for affordable accommodations yet cannot compromise on quality. Now speaking about the demographics and physiographics. OYO rooms are available across 170 Indian cities, hence finding an OYO room is easier for an average customer irrespective of the region, city and climatic conditions. Demographics include age, income, gender, generation, family size, occupation, education, etc. Physiographics include lifestyle, personality, activities, interests, and opinions. There are no such limitations with OYO rooms. Irrespective of the above mentioned demographics and physiographic features, OYO provides rooms to its customers with all the mentioned facilities earlier. Behavioral. The primary behavioral role is usage rate. The usage rate of any normal customers depends on the customer loyalty. The company lags behind in customer loyalty as the customers are not happy with few of the hotels and its standards under OYO. Now, the SWOT analysis. First, strength. Standardized. OYO rooms promises to provide the same amenities and same awesome experience across all its rooms. The OYO rooms are mostly owned by various providers but have just been standardized under OYO franchising. affordable. Oyo offers rooms at prices that no other player in the budget segment offers today. Technology driven. Oyo uses technology to link all its functions and provide the customers a seamless, awesome experience. Good use of advertisement. Large social media followers with 18 million followers in Facebook and 8,000 followers in Twitter. Weakness. In the process of expanding the business faster, the firm is losing its fame across the market. If this case is corrected, the business can be improved better. Poor service quality. Though Oyo has tried to standardize amenities for each room based on the prices they charge, they have not been able to do the same with the services. Third one is the tight margins. Hotels that are on a tie-up with Oyo can also loop in other agents for which Oyo cannot do anything much to circumvent. Third, opportunities. Growing demand for aggregators. As the world reels from the aftermath of repeated recessionary trends, pay cuts, and job losses, most higher end hotels are struggling to balance supply and demand. This increases the scope for aggregators like Oyo since most hotels would prefer to take external support for sourcing new businesses. Focus on budget accommodation. Earlier the trend was more biased towards luxury and boutique hotels, but not anymore. People are trying to minimize spending and focus on saving, and thus budget hotels that can provide decent boarding and lodging facilities. Threats. Competition. With lower barriers to entry, every new entrepreneur is looking at aggregating services. There are a lot of online portals like Trivago, MakeMyTrip, etc., which offer a varied gamut of services similar to Oyo. Growing concerns about safety. Today there's negative imaginary of unsafe stays, and the number of cases of harassment is on increase. Though Oyo does not guarantee safety at any point of the time for its hotels, they have a moral commitment to ensure that no such untoward incidents happen.
Market research. By looking at the competition grow so much in the past few years, one thing's for sure that Oyo has done some things better than others and held competition higher than ever before. And so I suggest it's about time for Oyo to explore more options about what they are capable of regarding how their customer satisfaction is and look into improving them for a better service.
Market research. So, how does OI positions itself in the marketplace? Let's find out using 4 P's of marketing. Number 1. Product. OYO room service are particularly customized for budget customers, keeping in mind the basic needs of Wi-Fi, clean linen, television, and air conditioners. Number 2. Price. OYO room service are extremely price cautious. The pricing strategy is to attract the lower room price in comparison to the base price of the hotel. Number 3. Promotion. OYO Room has been spending its advertising dollars on digital domains and has been yielding good results. It has an online presence in Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. Number 4. Place. The largest part of the audience resides in the small towns and cities and outskirts. However, they also receive a huge traffic from metro cities as well.
Conclusion. In this, we shall sum up what all we have covered throughout the video. In order to meet the recent hygiene demands and needs of customers, the OYO has started using safety measures which are protocols and must and should. This has given them more opportunities even in bad conditions like COVID-19. The success can be due to multiple factors, but one thing is clear that OYO has achieved their goal, that is to rent a room at a less affordable price, which suits most of the customers in India if compared to other parts of the world. The success of OYO in other countries are well defined by its capability to compete and gain huge popularity. Thank you.